Good morning, everybody. I'm so excited to talk to you this morning. Yesterday was a super fun day with our teacher parade. Oh my goodness, it was amazing to drive around all your neighborhoods. You guys made some wonderful signs. You were all smiling and happy and running around, and it was pretty. The rain had stopped and it wasn't cold anymore, and the sun was out, and it was just so fun. I loved it. It made my heart so happy. You guys, we talk about being bucket fillers and we talk about not wrinkling hearts and we talk about being a school family. Well, guys, yesterday we were totally a school family being able to do what we did. And I just want you to know I love you so much and I really did enjoy it a lot. So, definitely right now, obviously, where do you think I'm feeling after what I just described? Where do you think I am? Yeah, I'm up here in this yellow. Really, I am. I'm proud. I'm excited. I'm joyful about everything. I'm upbeat. I'm feeling good. You guys just made me feel so great. And I'm also down here a little bit too, feel loving, but definitely way up here in the yellow right now. So, all right, I want everybody to go check in where they are. Maybe you're not feeling like me. That's okay. We don't all have to feel the same way. Remember, it's very important to know how we're feeling and to give a name to what we're feeling. So if you are feeling scared or furious, which means you're mad or you're worried about something, that's okay. If you're feeling sad or confused or tired, that's okay. Think about it. Or maybe you are feeling nice and happy and good and chilled out. Think about where you are and go ahead and check in. Tell whoever you're with right now how you're feeling, or tell yourself. Just say it out loud. Great job. All right, everybody. Good job. Let's keep going. Oh, there's my pictures. These pictures haven't changed yet. I'm keeping them up right now because they make me happy to look at them. But what I am gonna do is I got a bunch of new pictures yesterday, and I just haven't had time to add them. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some new pictures for tomorrow's calendar, and we'll be able to see some new pictures of some of the things we're working on. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so yesterday was Wednesday, right? Yesterday was Wednesday. Let's move this to today. Today is Thursday. That's right. Today is Thursday. So, um, what's happening Thursday is we have something happening today. Today at 1 p.m. is our first Zoom lesson. If you can't do it, or your parents or whoever you're with cannot do it at 1, don't worry. We are going to do some other ones. This is just our first one. We'll see how it goes. You need to have your book, your how-to book that you've been writing, even if it's not done. I want you to have that with you at the Zoom meeting. I'm going to send the Zoom invite out again later today for your parents or grandparents to check. And hopefully, I can see so many of your faces. You're going to be able to talk to each other on the computer screen and see each other's faces. It's going to be very exciting. So that's today at 1. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and count to today and see what the date is. Oh, wait, let me get back up. That Zoom lesson is just for Miss Thompson's class today. If other teachers do them, they will be on different days at different times. But Miss Thompson has one today at 1. All right, I know more than just Miss Thompson's class is watching these. All right, let's go ahead and count to today. Here we go. Everybody count out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Today is the 26th. Let's go ahead and erase this. And we will write a 26. You should have your paper with you and your pencil ready to help me write. Go ahead and let's write a 20, which is a 2, and a 6. Everybody write 26. And when you find the 26 over here, I want you to go ahead and put both your hands on top of your head when you find the 26. Everybody find it? It's pretty quick. I bet you were quick because we're running out of numbers. There it is. We're going to move it up right here. The 26. And let's go ahead and say the date together. Here we go. Today is Thursday, March 26th, 2020. Great job, everybody. Now, tomorrow will be Friday. Then we won't have any lessons for a little bit, and then we'll come back on Monday. Oh, and what's happening Monday? The chicks will be hatching. Let's count how many days till the chicks hatch. It's gonna be quick. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 4 more days till the chickens come. Tomorrow we are taking the turner out of the incubator so that the eggs will not be on that turner. We don't want them to turn anymore. So we will take that out tomorrow and talk about that tomorrow on day 18. Yeah, 19, 20, 20. Yeah, day 18. All right. Great job, everybody, with the date. Let's keep going. All right, let's go talk about the weather. All right. If you are in a place where you can go check the weather, you can get up and you can go look out the window right now and see what the weather is where you are. I'm going to check it right over here. I have it pulled up already. Okay, and it says that today it is going to be partly sunny and it's going to be 68 degrees, which is nice. It doesn't look like it's going to rain, which is great news. So it's partly cloudy, it says, partly cloudy, which means sun and clouds. Sun and clouds. Maybe that's what you see if you look out the window. I'm going to erase this too. And we are going to color in one here. All right, so we had 2. We're adding 1. What will it be now? Go ahead and count them and tell me. Yes, it is 3. Let's write a 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. That's right. 2 plus 1 made 3 now. Now, are these equal anymore? No, because we added 1. They're not. Which 2 are equal? Which 2 are equal still? Yep, we have snowy and windy are still equal. They both have 0. And what type of weather has the most? What type of weather has the most? Yes, cloudy has the most with 7. Great job. You're doing a wonderful job on this. All right, let's keep going. All right. Oh, I forgot about my little line here. Hopefully, you know what? When I erase this, and never mind, I'm not going to erase it. We're going to leave it actually because I'm going to keep it there on purpose. All right, let's take one away. And let's erase this. And now your job is to figure out how many days we have left in school. I want you to go ahead and figure out all these stars are a day. So figure out how many days do we have left in school. Go ahead. All right, I think I heard people saying 43, and that is right, 43. On your paper, let's write it, a 4 and a 3. Let's write a 4 and a 3. And then let's count and see if that's right. Ready? Count by tens first, then by ones. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. That's right. So we put a 4 here because we have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we put a 3 here because we had 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Great job, everyone. So how many days are there left in school? 43. 43. Great job. All right. Ooh, no, go back. It is time for us to talk about our snap word of the day. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. Give me just a second to erase this. And I am going to get my book because I've been marking off the words that I wanted us to practice. And I don't want to I want to make sure I get all the right ones? Yes, we are good. So the word for today is going to be as. Yes, as. Can you write as? As is like this. A S. Can you write as? And if you're thinking, yesterday we said has, that sounds a lot like as, and you're right. Has had an H in the front, and then it was AS. So we have the word as. Why is it not letting me click that? I don't know. If it doesn't let me change it, we won't worry about it right now. Okay, so step 1 is read it. I want everybody to read that word. Say as. As. Very good. Now let's study it. Everybody study it and see what you notice. Yep, it's a tiny word, isn't it? It only has 2 letters. What else do you see? You see one vowel, which is an A, and one consonant, which is an S. And if you're thinking, as, sounds like it has a Z in it. It does, doesn't it? But it doesn't. It's an S. So it's a little tricky. Do we see any tall letters? No. Do we see any tails? No. They're all kind of little letters, aren't they? As. How many parts does as have? As. Very good. It just has one. Now let's spell it. Ready? Let's spell it. A-S. As. That was quick. All right, now we're going to write it. We're going to write it. So let's go ahead and write as. I've been looking at pictures of you guys practicing. Since as is so tiny, why don't we write it 3 times? Why don't we write it 3 times? See if you can write as 3 times. I'm going to write it one more time, and you're going to write it 3 times. Very, very good. All right, I hope you just wrote it 3 times on your paper. Now, step 5 when you learn a word is to use it. Now, we are going to say some sentences, but I'm actually not going to write a sentence today. I'm going to let you try to write a sentence by yourself. Okay, I want you to try to use this word. Okay, but right now we're just going to talk out loud and say some sentences together. Okay, what if we said, there's actually, I don't know why this one keeps coming to me, but there is a poem about Mary Had a Little Lamb. And in that poem, in that nursery rhyme, they always say her fleece, which is the fur kind of on a sheep or her lamb, her fleece is white as snow. Yes. And so that's one time when you use the word as. Or if you were going to say it is as hot as the sun out there, or it is as cold as an icicle. Those are some times when you would use the word as. So you can come up with one, and then you can write a sentence at home, okay? And then we'll get back tomorrow. We're actually going to practice all the words we learned this week. So tomorrow we're going to go over all 4 of the snap words we've learned, okay? And we're going to practice all of them tomorrow. So be ready for that. All right, let's keep going. You can write your sentence later, or you can press pause and do it now, and then come back to math. But we're going to go ahead and go to math right now. Now, we have been talking about subtraction, right? Which is taking away, taking things away. Let's go ahead and erase this, and we're going to do a new subtraction problem today. Now, let me think. What if we said this? What if we said, ready for this? Although this is being very slow right now for some reason. That's one of the other reasons. There we go. All right, let's see if this will work. We are going to write about Oh, I think I had an idea and then I'm gonna do M&Ms and I'm gonna do red M&Ms. No, I'm gonna do blue M&Ms. All right. What if we said that Miss Hazelden, what if we said Miss Hazelden had 6 M&Ms? Let's draw 6 blue M&Ms. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say we have Miss Hazelden had 6 M&Ms. Miss Hazelden really likes peanut butter M&Ms. They are so yummy. All right, so she had 6 M&Ms, but then what if Miss Dawson ate 3 of her M&Ms? Let's mark off 3 of the M&Ms. Ready? Mark them off. 1. These are the ones Miss Dawson's eating. 2, 3. So if Miss Hazelden had 6 M&Ms and Miss Dawson ate 3 of them, how many M&Ms does Miss Hazelden have left? How many M&Ms does Miss Hazelden have left? Go ahead and figure it out. How many does she have left? Yep, she has 3. She has 3 left right here. 1, 2, 3. So let's write that equation together for that story problem. Ready? We had 6. Who remembers the symbol for take away? See if you can write it by yourself. Yep, that's it. 6 take away 3 equals what? Yes, it equals 3. If you have 6 and you take away 3, you have 3. Great job. You guys are getting really good at subtraction, about taking away. I'm so proud of you. All right, so you guys did a great job on calendar again today. You have some more lessons today coming up. You're going to have some reading. There's going to be a science lesson about the chickens. I have a phonics lesson in there about writing poems. I have a special surprise lesson for our class. You'll see it in there as a special reading lesson. And I have a yoga adventure on my blog for you guys to do today and a blends song. So there's all kinds of stuff for you guys to work on today. Keep getting smarter and keep listening and doing a great job. All right, I love everybody. Bye.